What do financial advisors say about reverse mortgages? More and more financial advisors are suggesting homeowners with high equity consider a reverse mortgage as part of their retirement plan. You don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear what financial experts are saying. First of all, it protects their investments. Financial experts like Wade Pfau, who has written several books on the subject of reverse mortgages, says using home equity can help retirees avoid selling investments during market downturns and also delay drawing Social Security. Secondly, it can reduce overall taxes. A reverse mortgage provides tax-free cash, which financial planners say can help manage tax brackets in retirement. And if you are wanting to convert your IRA or 401k to a Roth IRA, you can use the reverse mortgage to pay the taxes on the conversion. Of course, you should contact your tax attorney to verify if this situation applies to you. These mortgages also increase financial security for homeowners. Studies show that setting up a reverse mortgage early can create more financial flexibility later, especially when it comes to paying for long-term health care and increasing monthly expenses. If you opt for the line of credit, that will grow over time. What this means is, if you don't use the proceeds right away, the amount available actually increases at a rate that can beat inflation, giving you access to more money later. And the best part, it eliminates mortgage payments, freeing up cash flow. This allows retirees to enjoy their golden years with less financial stress. A reverse mortgage isn't just a last resort mortgage, it is a powerful financial tool that too many people overlook because of bad information. Advisors say that when used correctly, it can help secure a more comfortable and worry-free retirement. Want to see if it fits your financial goals and finally get the truth about reverse mortgages? Let's talk. One last thing. It is always advised to consult your financial consultant or tax attorney whenever it concerns your taxes and planning. I'm always open to speak with them about how we can help you together. Comment below, send me a message, or call or text me today.